Booty room, booty bang. What's up, guys? It's your boy Manny, and bro, what, bro? Like, I'm on my way to a freaking meet, bro, and I see, like, I hear something in my tire. I hear like something flopping, so I jump out. I look, only see a fat ass nail in my shit, bro, and then boom. I say, alright, that's calm. I drive to the tire shop because I don't see it leaking, so I say, alright, we cooling. Boom. On my way to the freaking meet, after they say, oh, it's going to take like an hour, I say, alright, boom, I'm going to change it and then come back in the morning. On my way to the meet, I hear, floom. There goes the nail flying out the damn tire, bro. Automatic. Boom. Tire pressure. Like, I went to a shop up there, them niggas telling me, oh, because of where it's located, them not going to patch it. So I'm say, what you mean? He said, blah, blah, blah. Him come out, look at him and say, oh, you got to replace the tire, but you can't just get one tire. You got to get 4 new tires. 4. Bro, I just tell him, all right, bet. Have a good one. And I just went to this shop that's like 7 minutes down the road. But these people are taxing too. They trying to tell me $40 for a patch, bro. 40. Town Fair Tire was charging me 13, gang. So they gonna have to fix that price right there, cause 40 is stretching, bro. Real shit. Alright, so I got the tire fixing shit. I'm on my way to the freaking meet again. They wanted 40 for it. I tell them I'm only doing 30 because the place I went before they was just charging 13, bro. So ain't no way I was trying to pay a whole like friggin' $20 something extra, bro. So he was reasonable. He's dropped it down to 30. So I just said, hey, I'll work with it. So yeah, I'm on my way to the meet right now. I'm 18 minutes away, so I'm gonna pick up by the camera when I get to the meet, type shit. So we at the meet, we ain't gonna lie. We pretty deep with it. We are pretty damn deep with it, gang. M550, yo, that's J shit. That's what Jay wanna get. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Shit clean as hell, cut. Lineup go crazy. The lineup better go crazy, bro. Yo, these are the exact rims that I want, though. So I might have to tap in with dude, see where the hell he got his shit from. Cause I dead ass on the same rims, cut. Yeah, I want. Yeah, that was. I ain't gonna lie, gang. They going hard, man. They that ass going hard at his meat. I ain't gonna lie, man. This meat kinda deep. This meat kinda deep, gang. Whole bunch of fly shit, fire shit. Oh yeah. You feel me? I'm over here in my work clothes and shit. I couldn't even get to change my pants, gang. Couldn't even get to change my pants, but these are guys like M340i, M550i, I think. M340i, I believe. Now Audi in the front. Yeah, we kinda deep. We kinda deep in here. Bro, them rims is not spinning. Them rims is not spinning. That's crazy. My shit not touching that. Yo, the vibes is crazy. Both of them would have been. What's up, guys? It's your boy Money. Right now we at a car meet at Patriot's place, but I'm about to dip out though. I've been here since 4. It's 7. Well, damn near 8. Nah. I want to do the muffler delete. Safety. shit popping like crazy though. His shit popping like crazy, gang. I don't know why, but my exhaust sound quiet as shit right now, bro. I don't know, bro. Yeah, his shit tough as fuck. I ain't gonna lie, this shit hard though, bro. Shit hard in hell, bro. Dude got a flame spitting bike, bro. His shit spit flames. Look at that, bro. Nah, I gotta snap that, cuz what the fuck? That sunset is crazy, gang. Had to do a quick pull, gang. Had to do a quick pull. Had to do a quick pull. I might slow down and wait for them to catch up, but shit, I'm already close to the crib, so don't even make sense for real. What kind of turn is this nigga taking, man? So that looks like that's the POV for today. I bet. I'm gonna catch y'all probably in the next POV type shit. Yeah, they're running it. Yo, lights behind us.
I'ma chase my paper. She ain't trying to help me get a meal, then she can't be my bae. I grab the chop out the closet, no it is not gay. Beat a nigga head with a
Yo, we gonna have to get active.
Don't play with me.
Yo, lights are come, lights are come, lights.
A couple words can get you going, so watch what you say to me. Got 26 planes, but I fuck up 8, then I still got to see. And now I'm passing. Chops in the
Bye, have a great time.